What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be going to somewhere in Mexico. The weather has been kind of smoky lately. Oregon is on fire, and a lot of this has traveled from up north down this way, and it's literally freaking orange-ish. It's like 5 p.m. 6 p.m. right now, and this guy got his car street tuned the other day by Jeremy, and already got a couple call outs. So right now we're actually going to go meet with one guy. He's a local, and we're going to do some light road racing. Light meaning we're not high horsepower cars, we're just trying to have fun. This is the other car right here, just pulled up. What's going on, bro?
What's up, brother? How you doing?
Chilling, bro.
Yes,
About to get this roll real quick?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we were trying to call Danny, but I think Danny's driving right now, so he's not picking up his phone, but
It's all good. We found a good candidate right here.
yeah, let's get it real quick.
Brother.
All right. That was solid. Hell yeah. It's just that was the coolest shit right there. Hell yeah. Man, that car pulls really good. Like, he missed the gear just now, and he just came back like it was nothing. That was too legit.
That was dope, dude. For 5 pounds? Imagine what 10 pounds can do.
you need a clutch, my guy.
All motor, man.
Hold on. One time for the viewers. XTD?
XTD, man.
No mames.
H3 OEM pressure plate.
Let me know when you're ready. 1, 2, 3. Fuck yeah, bro. Solid. Superb driving on that one for sure. Good shit. Yo guys, big shout out to Carlos for coming out and doing a little street hit with us, and really just having fun with our cars. And this guy, I know he's having fun with his cars because we just pumped E85 and he's already like at half tank. This guy's been doing a lot of pulls, and his driving is a lot better than when it was the all motor stuff for some reason. It's a lot more superb, it's a lot more cleaner in the hits, and AFR was looking pretty good. For some reason, the other night when I took it out, it was like a mid-10, but right here was 11.3, 11.5 the whole way, and man, shout out to Jerry, man, the tune, this car, 5 pounds. 5 pounds.
5 pounds, dude.
Yeah, I'm kind of curious what this car would do on a 10, bro. So right now, we're going home.
I was slipping, but we going home.
You guys can't see it through the camera, but the sky is still sort of orange. The crazy thing is the weather is pretty chilly. Like it's not even close to what the last couple of weeks has been in the hundreds. This feels more like 65, 70, but I haven't checked the weather, so I don't really know, but it's been really cooler. So yesterday we had the homie Carlos, SVP, and George with the EG we just turboed go heads up on a friendly race, and I must say that EG, one, it's beautiful as hell, two, it's pretty quick for what it is. As far as I know, it's a GSR swap turbo on like 8 or 10 pounds or something like that, and George's Poorman Czar is on 5 pounds. We left it at 5 pounds because the engine that's in the car, the block at least with the PR3 pistons, is not something we're planning on keeping in there, so we wanted to boost, have a little fun, and a little longevity, and keeping it at 5 pounds. Now, after George driving it at 5 pounds, the dude's excited for 10. He wants to turn up to 10. Now, I got the car pushed up here because I don't have my ECU. It is in George's car. He's supposed to get his ECU today, or bought it today, and I should be having my ECU back here soon. I lent it to him so he can get his car up and going, and I wasn't driving my car anywhere, you know, important as of right now. Plus, I got the van to drive. So I got the car pushed up here, and you know, since the dyno, I've been having a lot of like overheating issues. And granted, EF engine base, it's really compact, and I'm on the ram horn, a 3-inch downpipe, which is a lot closer to the radiator opposed to the 2.5. Insignificant airflow to the radiator due to the big SF intercooler. So right now I'm just trying to figure out how can I get the temps down when I'm driving it normally. Now, the other days that it was burning hot while driving with the heater on was because we were in 100-degree weather. I don't think we should have an issue now, but the other day was pretty cool, and I took it out. It was driving fine, and then I did one solid hit, and the car just went hot. When you pass your fail-safe, like temp 220 or something, whatever it's set to, it throws this random code 11, and the code 11 really doesn't exist, but it lets you know that the car is overheating, and I hit that the other day. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do about fixing that. Right now I'm looking at, you know, possible things that I could do. I ordered a turbo blanket, which is not going to get here for a little bit. I can wrap the downpipe, wrap the dump tube, wrap this runner so it doesn't get the radiator too hot, or I can make a shield and not have to wrap this one at all. I could make passageways from the bumper, like right here. I can cut these guys out and then make a tunnel way to go to the fan. I might also upgrade my fan. I've had this for about 5-6 years now. It sounds weaker and weaker, and make a shroud for it as well too. If you guys don't know, I do have a Spall 10 right here to help draw air from the intercooler to the radiator, and it works, but it seems to not work enough. Another idea I had was to run the windshield reservoir, which normally goes up here, goes up there, and sprays water to the windshield. I don't even have those nozzles on here, and I'm thinking about routing it to the radiator and run regular water for regular driving. If it overheats, spray water. For days that I'm going to, you know, Mexico, I can dunk a whole bunch of ice in it, so that way it's spraying colder water to the radiator. Now, this section doesn't really get hot because it's separated from, you know, the engine side of things, so the ice wouldn't melt too quickly, but if it did, it'll still be ice cold water versus room temp water, and I hope that could help, you know, bring the coolant temp down. But I don't have one of those, so I'm not sure yet. I'm just planning all of this out. I don't think I'm going to do anything today because, like I said, one, I don't have all the stuff. They're not in yet, and two, I can't really do anything with the car because I don't have my ECU, and I really feel like I want to put this car down for a little bit, and I want to get to the registration process on that car so I can start enjoying that, start driving that. But this car, the clutch is spun and the rack and pinion is bad. So not much really going on for this video, guys, other than Carlos and George. But before we end this video, I'm going to show you guys something I've been waiting on. It's probably been about a month and a half that I've been waiting for this. And this part is from TurboGuard. I ordered 2 of these guys. TurboGuard key tag, awesome. I ordered 1 in purple and I ordered 1 in blue. Now this takes a long time to get here because these are all handcrafted, stated on the website per order. So I ordered these a little while ago and they finally got here. I got a blue and a purple. Blue is for the wagon. It has a 4-inch housing on it, and the purple is for the 35R on this housing because purple gate, purple blow-off valve, and I think it's I don't know, I kind of want to keep the purple in the bay a little bit. I'll go ahead and open this purple one, stick it on the 30R. I've never had this ever on any of my cars. Look at that, it's got a little metallic and stuff, or glittery, like the Cincos you use for bass and stuff. Maybe I can go fishing with this. That's neat. This is a 4-inch housing. Hopefully I bought the right one. And seems to be the right one, but I need to loosen this guy real quick. That looks really cool down there. Got the TurboGuard facing upward. This is the bigger mesh. There's some smaller ones, but like they're rated for, you know, horsepowers and stuff, I think, because of restriction on airflow. So I think this right here would be perfectly fine. It wasn't too expensive to get one of these, so if you guys want to save your turbo's life, grab yourself a TurboGuard. So again guys, not much going on today. I just wanted to overlook and get myself planned out for what I'm going to do as far as getting the coolant temp down on this car. I do have a new OEM thermostat as well too. I'm going to toss into this car, but I'm going to take care of that once I get everything in. Aside from that, I hope you guys enjoy the quick little PRs between Carlos and George out of Mexico, and be sure to give it a thumbs up. Like I said, and I said it plenty of times before in the other attempted racing videos or actual racing videos, we are trying to get some Mexico runs for y'all. And it's just been it's been hot for 1, and 2, it's just been whoop, whoop, whoop. You know, we try. So if you guys want to stick around for more action, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.